Once the client has made contact initially to Walkergore about a project, we'll make arrangements to have a meeting. At that meeting, it allows me to, one, get to know you, the client, and for you to meet me. Two, I'm able to see maybe the project site and understand, after discussion, what the project really involves. Now, this process is really important because it allows me to understand your needs and requirements, and that allows us to provide a detailed fee quote. Once we've had the initial discussions, the next stage will be producing some kind of feasibility scheme. This generally compiles sketch schemes, drawings, and/or 3D imagery. They could be models, walkthroughs. Depending on the nature of the project, that initial feasibility process can be quite short, or if needed, it can be longer. And that generally depends on the client's requirements and how they understand what they want. Once we've got some sketch schemes sorted and there's an understanding and/or agreement with that process and that design, we can take things forward to the next stage, which will be budget costings. It's a key stage because we don't want to go too much further without understanding the overall cost. Finding out the cost later on in the project can be devastating. In order to understand how that scheme will fare with the planners, we can go through a process called the pre-application process, and it allows us to understand the planners' problems and the hurdles that we might need to jump over in order to get planning. It's a process that I use because it allows us to understand whether the scheme that we're producing and the ideas that we want to achieve will be given approval. Because if they're not, then we can draw a line and stop at that stage.